Yo, Sev. What you think?
Oh, I like this.
You like it?
You know what? Check me out, you know?
Whew. Beautiful. Yo, my girl Sev got the GV80.
Would you expect anything less?
Nothing less than this banging Olufsen sound system. I like.
I mean, you know, I'm an artist, so I have to listen to my mixes on the way home. We only deserve the best.
Yo, you've been rocking with the best since my first book tour, co-owning St. Miles.
I'm really, really proud of you. You really put that FAMU degree to very good use.
Yo, I appreciate it. And speaking of fam, we need to get to this HBCU event practice. Let's get going.
Let's get it.